At the end of the last video I realised you couldn't see this second bar that the wheel was rolling against, and it actually looked like it was rolling against the supporting bar. So I thought I'd do this little quick clip to show you that it is actually running along the original bar, and that the weight is being taken on the supporting bar, which is what it's intended for. So there we are. Right, the next bit I'm going to be probably fixing the gantry to the base, and we'll try and find out exactly how big a work area this will actually operate, and then I think we'll start doing some electrics. We'll put the sensor in the Y table. I've already released the Y table ready, and get that sensor in and get the cable out, ready to come up to the jogging panel. Okay then, right, see you later. We're about to wire up the sensor unit for the encoder, which is the slotted ribbon of plastic here. Well, not slotted, it's marked with black lines, and as that travels up and down, it will then send a signal out to the computer what its position is, so that the CNC will always know where it is. But as I said before, I don't know whether I should be using this at the moment or in the future, in the future at all. But it means that I've got that facility there if I do it now, because it means that I don't have to take anything apart should I need it in the future. Okay, right, now what I've done is, on this side I've marked jog, and on this side I've marked PSU, so that I know which way around the gantry is, because it's very easy to get lost with it looking like this. Right, I'll come back to you when we're ready for the next bit. Cabling, I'm going to be using a 2-core telephone cable that I've found. The reason I'm using telephone cable on this bit is because it will take a lot of abuse, you know, going backwards and forwards. If you don't believe me, give a teenage boy or girl a telephone and watch what your cable goes through. Yes, it can withstand that. It can withstand anything on a CNC machine. Now this one I'm going to be using for the LED on the sensor, which is those 2 pins there, and there's the associated resistor. Now I should be tacking those 2 there, positive and neg, sorry, like that, and then they'll be coming, if I can do this, past these 2 holes here. Now those 2 holes, I have no idea what they're for. There was nothing on them or in them in the original printer, but what I'm going to be using them for is a small tie wrap. So, well, cable tie, you know, zip ones, and I should be bringing all the cables into there so that they are absolutely secure for going backwards and forwards, and all that will move is this cable this way, like that. Right. Okay, so that's the LED wire taken care of. Now the signal wires are there. We need a pause, a neg, I believe it's 5 volts. If I'm wrong, someone's bound to correct me. And the 2 centre ones are the signal out. Now, because we're bringing it to the jog panel on this side, we will be bringing it to a connector box, probably about there because the gantry is going there, so that if I need it in the future I can get at it and then wire it up to the jog panel. Okay, so that's the LED cabling taken care of. Now all I got to do is find a 4-core cable for the signal and its associated power supply. Okay, come back when I found that, and then I'll show you it being wired up.